Hello. This is Prof. Nanius, and there've been a couple of questions about homework and things like that. So I think I will make another video about some of the stuff, some of the topics that have been more frequently asked about. Maybe people can benefit from that. So let's go ahead and share the screen. And let's take a look here. Now, the very first question, this isn't exactly a WebAssign question here, but it's close enough. If you have a question like this, let's say you have this indefinite integral, and I'm going to do x to the fourth, 1 plus x to the 10th. Now, trying u equal 1 plus x to the 10 fails. And for clear reasons, because du would be 10x to the 9th, so that isn't going to work. So what can we do? Well, we know, sort of in the back of our minds, we realize this. We realize that's arctangent. So with that in mind, let's figure out what we can do here. And in this case, notice if you divide 10 by 2, you get 5, and 1 less than that is 4. So let's try u equal x to the 5th. Du would be 5x to the 4th. So this integral now is transformed into dx, of course. So it's going to be 1/5 because of that 5 here. This is a du. And now we're at 1 plus u squared, because u squared would be x to the 10th. So this is 1/5 arctangent. And that transforms our integral, original integral transforms to 1/5 arctangent of x to the 5th plus c. Right? That's question 1. Question 2 is kind of this is going to look a little weird, but let's just do this one in green for the heck of it. Let's say we have this following integral. Let's say we have e to the 1 over x to the 4th, 1 over x to the 5th. You have an integral that's kind of like that. Well, the thing to remember, I won't do this entire problem, but if I let u equal x to the minus 4, so this integral is transformed into e to the u. The notice minus 1/4 du is x to the minus 5 dx. Yeah, this should be an x here. My bad. So we have a minus 1/4, and we have a du, and that's not a bad problem to do. So the integral is transformed into a minus 1/4 e to the x to the minus 4. Okay, we'll get that one. The next one I want to do is kind of a, I'll do this one in blue just for the heck of it. The next sort of integral we have, I'll set this up. Let's say we have an x and we have, let's say, 18 plus x. Let's say make it 3x. Now, the thing is that you cannot break up a radical. But we can let u equal everything inside of it, and then solve for x. So then u minus 18 is 3x, or 1/3 u minus 6 is x. And then 1/3 du is dx. So this whole integral is transformed, and let's just change the color. We have the dx, so that's 1/3 du. X, now the actual x up here is going to be a 1/3 u minus 6. Then the bottom is just a giant square root of u. All right, let's see right here. That's correct. Right. So now we have a 1. You can break up a numerator like so. And that's reasonably easy anything to integrate. So then I'll just integrate. And back sub. Right. Very last thing, let's just do this one a different color. You have this integral here. Let's say you have 0 to 3 f of 4x dx. Now note, if you let u equal 4x, 1/4 u is x, and 1/4 du is dx. So this thing is transformed into f of u 1/4 du. But then we have to change our limits. See, the lower limit here is x is 0, so u would be 4 times 0, and x is 3, and u is 4 times 3. So this is this. So this integral is equal to this integral right here. And then I believe the WebAssign tells you what this integral is. And then you can just go ahead and solve it. So I think these hints ought to really help. And assuming I can get this thing here. All right, so thanks for watching.